Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life. Alright you guys, I'm super proud of myself. I gotta toot my own horn. I have been super duper busy. I woke up when Jay woke up around 4:30 and I just kind of laid in my bed on my phone for a while until about 5, and then I rolled out of bed and I was just like, I'm gonna hit the ground running this morning. I grabbed my hamper and I started with my mom's laundry and then my laundry. So I already completed like 3 loads of laundry first thing this morning. Alright you guys, I woke up, I kid you not, I woke up at 4:30 this morning. Excuse me. It is Sunday. I am not sleeping in. I've been catching up on some YouTube, but I have mom's laundry to finish. Well, our bed sheets and towels to finish, and then I have a load in here from last night that I started before going to bed. Queen G's laundry in here. I have one more load there, and I just brought down my own laundry hamper so I can do my laundry. So I'm trying to get all of this done before Queen G wakes up. I got to enjoy listening to an audiobook as I was unloading and reloading the dishwasher. I made some oatmeal for myself for breakfast while Queen G was totally asleep. Some of you asked, how do I get things done? That's how I get things done. It's like I have to wake up super early in the mornings just so that I can get a head start. So right now I have my to-do list all completed. And it's not even noon yet. So I'm gonna go downstairs, put on my caregiver's hat, which it makes me feel a little bit more relaxed for the rest of the day, because anything else today, being productive, is a bonus. Which doesn't happen as often as I would like, but I'm trying to implement habits or better routines. I'm trying to review my goals that I had set out for myself for this year, and I thought, you know what, I should probably review my goals like on a weekly basis and on a monthly basis just to see where I'm at. And as part of my goal and my vision board that I had made is to make better habits and routines. What I am working on, I'm focused on for today. I want to work a little bit on my planner, but today is also game day. Go Niners. I placed a medium-sized Target order so that hopefully it should arrive between 12 and 1. So during that time, I'm just going to put my caregiver hat on, get Queen G all settled, and get her routine going, and hopefully I can pull in some exercises. That way she can take a nap, and then that way I can put her in the wheelchair and we can watch the game. Yay, Target delivery. Got a 4-pack of corn, some broccoli, need some mushrooms for our salads, some baby carrots for some veggie dips. I needed some hot dog buns for our chili dogs later today during football game. These were on sale, $1.99, so I grabbed 2 of the cheddar jack cheese and then also the pepper jack for Cling G. Since it's going to be Valentine's Day, thought I'd get a strawberry super moist cake mix. I am going to make some cupcakes. And then I was in the mood for some ranch dip, hence the the vegetables. It needs sour cream, so I also ordered a sour cream for that. So I'm going to get that going and put that in the fridge. And since we're having pico de gallo, I thought bean dip would also be another option for us. As you can tell, I'm just in the mood for snacks. And then I also needed some more Windex. And instead of using my favorite pink grapefruit, I decided to use the Honeycrisp apple. Change it up a bit. And this is what I got for my bathroom, for my drawers. Gonna use that, a 3-pack, and then a 2-pack of another bin here. And that's my Target haul.
Queen G used to always make this ranch dip since I can remember. She was always the hostess for so many get-togethers, so this dip takes me back to some fun memories. I try not to have chips and dip most of the time, so today is like a real treat for us. It's the little things that can make our day, don't you think? And I accomplished my to-do list earlier in the day is something I will celebrate. That's huge in my opinion, because most days, well, it's just not. I was all caught up in the moment making this and drooling over it, and wait for it.
Alright, chill for an hour. Just chill. Now I have to clean my camera. Dropping off our Denali to get 4 new tires. Wow, what?
$1173.68.
Why so much?
Cost has gone up to $196 a tire.
Holy moly. That's the price of 4 new tires here in California. That's $1,173. Damn! And it's called Big Discount. What a discount. Alright. That's crazy.
They'll call us later.
Yeah, hit that subscribe button, people. Watch that ad. We need new tires. Huh. That's crazy. Just crazy. Football game. Oh, the 49ers lost. Bay Area. So sorry, but I know most of you aren't from the Bay Area. At least leave me a comment down below if you are. I'm just curious. But anyways, so yeah, we lost. It was disappointing, but it was a good game. It was a good game. We had a really good time. I didn't even film it. We finished up some of that pico de gallo,
I made the ranch dip with some carrots, and we had bean dip. It was just really good. And then, of course, my mom requested chili cheese dogs, so we did chili cheese dogs. And then I made that potato wedges, the Parmesan and garlic potato wedges. It was really good. Total game food, you know what I mean? So as a Denali is going to be getting new shoes, Jay is actually off today, and he is doing some house projects outside, and he's also watching my mom, Queen G, as she's finishing up with her breakfast. And I snuck away over to Costco because I have to get some diced tomatoes and some other bulk items that we really do need, and then a few things that I'm gonna check on that I've been wanting. So no, we'll see. So I'll take you in with me. Hopefully it's not as crowded because it's only 10 right now. So I'm hoping I got here before the lunch crowd. Oh, perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. These are cool. Look at that, nobody here. All right, got all the Costco stuff, my eggs up there, and now I'm just gonna fill up the Racy Red. Don't know how much the gas is going to be per gallon, but hey, we're in California. Everything here is so pricey. It's crazy. My gas, my mask, my water. Stopped at Jack in the Box real quick for Diet Coke. I needed a little pick-me-up. But Costco wasn't bad, you guys. I love it when that happens. Love it. It was $4.29 per gallon. That's not bad at all. All right, get to wear this bad boy for the first time because it is cold. It dropped down to, I don't know. Hold on. Let's ask Google. What's the weather?
It's 56 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 57 and a low of 38.
Well, to me, that's cold. So I gotta go to CVS real quick. Hopefully my camera is okay. I have to really clean the lens since I tried to film the ranch dip. And it got on my camera lens, and I tried the best I could to wipe it off, but anyways, I have to go to CVS so that I can get Queen G's medications that are ready, because I keep getting notified to pick them up. And just got done having the rest of the hot dog. Just made a regular hot dog and some chips with it. So Jay and my mom are finishing up with that, so I'm going to head out real quick. And then I have to start editing. Yes. When I came back from Costco, I was able to do some physical therapy with my mom. So we did like sit-ups, we did leg exercises, we did arm weights, and what else did we do? Oh, we worked on her core, and then after that she was so I let her rest before lunch. But I do want to get her back up, and then hopefully we can start practicing on her standing. I really got to get back on that, man. I really got to get back on that. Jay is almost done with his laundry, and he unloaded and reloaded and did the dishes in the dishwasher. And that one is just got done unloading it just now. So I'm keeping on track of everything. You see that? You see how slow it was? Hi, kitty. I was filming my making my ranch dip, and it went right into the dip. All in the lens and everything. I tried my best to get all of the sour cream out, but it's kind of sticky still, so I don't know. I used some of your rubbing alcohol lens wipes on it, but I know since you're Mr. MacGyver, I thought maybe you might want to give it a look over.
I'll have to bring home some contacts.
Are you surprised? I'm wearing my new vest. I'm here at my P.O. box. I have to renew it. I'm not too sure how long I'm going to have my P.O. box for anymore. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. Remember, there's my P.O. box address down below. Just got back from CVS. Got some stuff for my mom and I had a coupon, $4 off of 2 NYX cosmetics. And these were $5.99 at my store. And I thought these were really pretty. This one's called Sapalo. SMLC08. This one right here is called Rome. Thought they were really pretty. I really like these. These really stay on really for a while, especially underneath a mask. Just as an FYI. Hey, thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoy these type of videos. I don't know if I'm going to call it a day in the life kind of thing, because it has been like a couple of days. I don't know. But I do want to also tell you guys that I'm going to be on This and That with Denise Jordan. She had invited me to be one of her guests on February 24th. I will put a little bit more information on that soon. And we have a collab coming up, you guys, and I don't want you to miss out on that either. But until then, I will see you guys later. Take care of yourselves. Bye.